Hey guys, what's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at another case review, but this time it's for the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air series. Now this is a leather sleeve that I just picked up. This is from Mujjo, and I want you to notice the front is all premium leather, has a real nice feel, really soft. On the back you get a nice felt back. On the inside is made of that same felt material. It is extremely soft. It's not going to scratch your MacBook up, and it's going to allow you to be able to carry a lot of different things on the inside of here, such as documents in this folder, business cards up here, and if you need a charger or two, you will be able to carry it right up here. Now it is thin, so your MacBook charger will not be able to go in there. It's going to make it a little thick, a little bulky, but let me show you how the MacBook fits in this case. But before we do that, I want to let you know that with this case comes this nice dust bag. So they give you this, has the Mujjo branding on it right there, but the dust bag, it comes right in this. You'll be able to keep up with this, keep it on a shelf somewhere. If you ever stop using this, then you can put this back in the dust bag to prevent it from getting messed up. But let's put the MacBook in here and see what it looks like. Slides right down in there just like that. Now you have two zippers on both sides. We're going to meet them in the middle just like so, and voila, there you go. This is the MacBook Sleeve by Mujjo. It comes in different colors. You'll be able to carry this. This is a more business oriented. Looks really sleek, really stealthy. You're going into a meeting, you got this in. You go in, put it down on the table, unzip it, reveal your MacBook. But there you go. It's going to hold the 13-inch MacBook Pro. You can go by their website. They actually have more of these, so you can pick out which one is going to be the best for you and best for your computer style. But for right now, this has been a review of the 13-inch MacBook Pro sleeve by Mujjo. I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you can go and check out this. But be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.